a choice of mixed vegetables ranging from baby corn, carrots, capsicum and cauliflower to anything that you want to eat which is batter fried and tossed in a spicy sauce. Now this is a perfect starter and a great finger food, and it has something for everybody in it. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the crispy veggies, first I'm going to make a batter. For this I've taken half cup of cornflour and half cup of Maida or all-purpose flour. I'm going to season this with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, freshly ground pepper, mix everything together. Gradually pour water and mix it nicely till you get a nice thin batter. I usually prefer using a whisk to mix these batters because using a whisk prevents lumps and you can get a nice smooth batter. Starting with 1 potato that's been thinly sliced, cut into half, 1 small carrot that's been cut up. You can see I've cut everything in slices, it's nice and thin. Half green capsicum cut into wedges, half red capsicum cut into wedges, half yellow capsicum cut into wedges, 4 baby corn pieces cut into half. I've taken 1 cup of Cauliflower Florets, it's been washed. Pour the batter over the vegetables. I'm just going to mix everything till it's all well coated with the batter. Now I'm going to deep fry the vegetables. Drop the coated vegetables into the hot oil and deep fry them till they are golden brown in color. Next I'm going to make the sauce for the veg crispies. Take a wok or a kadai, add 1 teaspoon of oil, 5 cloves of garlic chopped, spring onion whites chopped. To this add 2 teaspoons of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. To this add 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. This is optional. If you'd like it nice and spicy, you can add. Add 1 tablespoon of water. Adjust the quantity of sauce depending on the amount of vegetable crisps you have. Now I'm going to start slowly adding the vegetables to the sauce. Toss the vegetable crisps with the sauce. Finally garnish it with some spring onion greens. Turn off the stove. Veg crispies are done. They're absolutely delicious and makes for a great starter. Now this is one starter that